Hey guys, so I want to do a quick unboxing here of my first Sony phone of 2018. We do have Xperia XA2 Ultra smartphone, which should be a very big phone from Sony, about mid-range kind of thing, not the most highest end, but still very interesting. Because it's coming with slightly better in terms of the design compared to the normal kind of Sony bezel design, so it should be pretty good. And I was a big fan of the old XA1 Ultra and the Z Ultra before that, so let's see what this one brings to the table. I think the actual box is already open, so we're just going to get it open here and have a look. So this is in a grey colour, as you can see. Very big, expansive display here. That is nice to see. They have shrunken the bezels a little bit. They could definitely do a little bit more, but looking very nice in terms of the build here. And they've also changed the fingerprint scanner from the side. Wow, that is a nice change. Look at that. So I'm just going to put this to the side and have a look at what we should get in the box. So you get your normal stuff like your Xperia XA2 etc. And also your charger, which I guess is a fast charger. And also some nice earphones here, as you can see. What model are they? Look quite decent. Put that to the side. Look at that. Wow. Slab. That's what that is. So you got your Type C, which is nice. A little bit sticky out lens here, but hopefully it shouldn't be too much of an issue. But certainly liking this kind of frosted design here, much better than, you know, shiny kind of back. That is definitely a welcome change. So we're just going to do a size comparison with the old one, as you can see. So they've gotten rid of this kind of big front camera module and put two there now. So it kind of looks like a pair of eyes. Maybe it's some sort of feature. I'll have to look at the instructions, but you know, very nice in terms of the construction. Let's just boot it on. Hopefully there's no, you know, light bleed and stuff that we did see in late 2017. Which was a little bit annoying. It looks like there's a screen protector on the actual device. So does it say the spec? I'm not 100% sure what it is actually in terms of the spec. I rarely